Welcome to our channel Health Hub. Today we are talking about DIY aloe vera gel hair mask to grow new hair. Apply this DIY aloe vera gel hair mask to invigorate your scalp, stimulate follicles, grow new hair, and maintain healthy hair. Aloe vera gel is popularly known as a natural remedy for sunburn. But did you know that you can use this lush gel to create a hair mask? Yes, that's right, and there are several benefits of applying aloe vera gel to your hair. Check them out below. Here are some great benefits of using an aloe vera gel hair mask on your scalp and hair. Soothes the scalp, reduces scalp inflammation, cools down an overheated scalp, fights dandruff, balances an oily scalp, stimulates new hair growth, seals moisture in hair, and more. Strive to use pure, high-quality aloe vera gel with no additives. I suggest buying a good brand like Fruit of the Earth Aloe Vera Gel or Amara Organics Aloe Vera Gel. These are my two favorite aloe vera gels. Okay, on to the recipe. Create this DIY aloe vera gel hair mask to soothe your scalp and promote healthy hair. Ingredients: 1/4 cup pure aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 4 drops rosemary oil, 4 drops tea tree oil or lavender oil, and you'll need a medium-sized bowl and a whisk. Directions: in a medium-sized bowl, add 1/4 cup of pure aloe vera gel, followed by 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Now carefully add 4 drops each of tea tree and lavender oils. Mix everything together with a whisk to form a creamy mixture. Apply this mixture on your scalp and hair strands, preferably after wetting them. Once you've finished applying, wrap your hair up and throw on a shower cap. Allow the DIY aloe vera gel mask to work its magic for 10 minutes. Rinse off with cold water and wash your hair as usual. Enjoy your beautiful hair. You can use this hair mask 2 times a week. Try this DIY aloe vera hair mask and come share your results. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.